Nice. I got my own loop track. Did you guys hear that loop? That was nice.
Yes.
Can you tell I'm back in the home office? I got all the bells and whistles. Woo! Feel sorry for you guys already. Twitch is up. Oop, that was nice. YouTube is up. TikTok is up. Check Facebook, LinkedIn for me, please. That'd be great. Thank you. Spy trying to go from red to green here. Trying to make a move. Excuse
LinkedIn's
me.
up.
Thank you.
Facebook is up.
Thank you. You guys are awesome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All you beautiful, amazing people. Today, I will be trading with an express funded account, meaning I've already passed the combine and now I'm in the they will pay me phase. So that's what I will be trading today. Contracts are limited up to 3 at a time. So if you guys see any of my trades today, that's where it's at. It's limited up to 3. All right. Good morning, everybody. Today I am back in the home office. Tomorrow I will probably stream from the Cybertruck. We will see. But I like to mix it up, have a little bit of fun. Today is mentorship training at 11 o'clock sharp. Be there or be square. If you're not in our mentorship program, you should go and sign up for that right away. If you're a Diamond member, you have access to that. Make sure you guys hop on over, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, get signed up. Click on the pricing, scroll down. If you don't see it listed there, which it will not be, go click on the button that says Other Products and Services. You will see all of the products and services we have to offer. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Nick, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much. Appreciate all of you being here. Today I will be trading ES. Sometimes I trade NQ. It just depends. This account, this express funded account that I have is actually in the hole. This one is down $2,600, so I'll probably just trade ES. I don't want to get too crazy with it. So this account is in the hole. I do, of course, want to get it to a positive balance with this one. I believe it's 5 winning days of 200 plus, and then they allow you to take money out. So, but you do need to be at a positive balance. So today the goal will be get this back positive and then start working right on making that money. Again, I've been trading a lot of these prop firms, testing them out, just making sure they're legit before I recommend and do all the things. Appreciate everybody being here. All right, it's 9:05. 9:05. We've already posted the hot stock picks, the IPO center, the pre-market setup, and we're ready to rock and roll. We've posted some new videos. Make sure you guys go over to YouTube, check out our latest videos. Click that subscribe button if you would. Today, while we are watching, or while you're watching, do me a favor. If we can get our TikTok up to 400 concurrent viewers or 100,000 likes, we will do a giveaway today. And I was thinking about bringing out the Wheel of Cash. But I'm still trying to figure out what we should do. Maybe any new diamond memberships from now, maybe 30 days or something, and we let somebody win up to what, 10, 20, 50,000? I don't know. Haven't figured it out yet. We'll see. Appreciate you. I'm sure you guys will help me figure out what we should do. We got a couple of runners already this morning. A couple to keep an eye on. SPGC. One that's popping right now, CCLD. Just remember, if you guys are trading in the pre-market, there are no stops in the pre-market. You will have to place limit orders, not market orders. But again, no stops. So please be careful. Control your risk management with your position sizes. Thank you. Make sure each and every single day you guys are charting out. You should have pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. Indicators that I will be using today will be VWAP, the MA200, the EMA 921, and for your viewing pleasure, I'll leave up the 55. That's nice. Boy, it feels good to be back in the saddle again. I know it's fun to get out every now and then and be inside of the truck streaming, but boy, is it fun to have the full studio set up with the lights, the cameras, the sound effects, the fog machine, all the things going on. If this is your first time watching, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I've been a stock market trader for the last 33 years. I have trained over 1 million people through this room, just like yourself. So please stick around, grab some popcorn, and get ready to learn. Our trading community is now closing in on close to $200 million in profits. I do not have receipts on that. That's just over time what we're getting in here from our members. So don't come at me with pitchforks. Appreciate it. We have retired over 200 people and counting. So congratulations to them. A couple of my moderators, just so you guys know what you're working with, a couple of my moderators that help train in here are having over 7-figure months. You heard that right. We are legitimately the only stock market training community that has people making over $1 million per month. We are literally the only community I've ever heard of in history that has that type of profit. And I'm not talking about fake prop firm trading. I'm talking about real cash money, dollar bills, y'all. So if you're wondering if you're in the right place at the right time, you are. You're here. Welcome. Right now, we have close to 300 members. We'll typically, on average, get between 400 and 600 people per day that are paying members inside of our Zoom room. The difference with us and everybody else, everybody has a microphone. Believe it or not, people in here can ask questions. You're not just going to stare at me trading and then I go do something else and hang out and take your money. We actually train you. If you're a VIP member, you get over 60 hours a week of training. If you're a regular premium member, you get around what, 36, 40 hours of training? We train more than any other stock market education company in the history of the known universe. No exaggeration. Over on YouTube, we have close to 2,000 training videos. Sponsor free. Get right to the point. Get in there. Get your information. It's amazing. Moderators, I just muted. I think it was Merlin's mic. Somebody was making all sorts of noises. Thank you. Please help me control those mics. Love your faces. Now, today, it's going to be fast and furious like it always is. In the first 30 minutes, don't freak out. There'll be a lot of call outs and things going on. If you're new here, don't trade anything, just observe. All right. So the first 30 minutes is kind of hectic. After that, we can go into more Q&A and watching the market and what's happening and kind of side talk and doing the different things that we do. But in the first 30 minutes, which is where a majority of you, once you are an experienced trader, will make your money. So you will hear us having lots of conversations and things going on in the first 30 minutes. We are not a call-out group. I need to stress this. We are actually going to train you on how to trade in the stock market. This is not a call-out group. If you're looking for those fake, cheesy groups, trust me, they're out there. Just look for anything that says call-out group. If it says that, it's trash. Just going to let you know. I've been doing this for 33 years. If it says call-out group, trash. Just put a trash can next to it. Block them out. Never go back. If it says WhatsApp or Telegram, block it out. Never go back. If they try to sell you bots, block it out. Never go back. All trash. Thank me later. Thank me later. Appreciate you. All right, we've got about 27 and 20 seconds to the bell. It's going to be fast and furious. Real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, or anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Nice job, Allison said, made 30,000 yesterday. Good job. Good job.
Oh, you said 30. How long to the bell?
27 minutes. 17 minutes. Did I say 27? 17 minutes. Thank you.
All right.
Yep. Thank you. Great Gazoo says pre-market infomercial. Listen, I have to do it. Believe it or not, the reason we have trained over 1 million people is because I have to talk about my products and services. So just hang in there for about 6 minutes so I can get it out of the way. I do it twice a day. So for you guys to get over 60 hours of training every single day, 6 days a week, I have to spend 6 minutes a day to talk about our products and services. It's terrible. It's terrible. Well, up to 12 minutes a day, I should say. But anyways, thank you guys again for being here. Make sure you guys double tap that screen if you're watching over there on TikTok. Double tap. Let's go. 100,000 likes, 400 concurrent viewers, one or the other. We will do a giveaway today. Appreciate you. Market, of course, has been choppy, but we've been making money. We've got a lot of members in here that have been making money this week. We don't care if the market goes up or down. I train you on how to do all of it. By the way, I will teach you how to day trade, swing trade, long-term investments, 401ks, SEPs, IRAs, traditionals, Roths, doesn't matter, don't care. Anything you want to learn, we will train you on it inside of this room. You want to do stocks, options, crypto, futures, doesn't matter. We will train you on everything there is to know about the entire stock market. Thank you. Couple rules that we live by in here real quick. Make sure you never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day, ever. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, stop trading for a month. If you're a new trader, paper trade, simulate only. Do not use real money ever while you are in training. Small position sizes, which allows you to let the runners run and stop out those losers, is the way to go. I'm telling you, if you go in with large position sizes, all you will do is blow up your account. If you follow my rules, it will take you almost 15 years for you to blow an account. And I'm not exaggerating. If on average you were losing 2% a day and you had 2 red trading days in a row, 15 years for you to lose your money. So please follow all the rules. Make sure you journal each and every single day so you know what is going on. That way you can lock in when you are making good gains and correct when you're not, and improving every day. If you're not trying to improve every day, what is it exactly that you're doing with your life, right? You should be trying to get better at something every single day. Stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. That is to save you from news events, knife drops, and of course, pops. So everybody be cool with that. Make sure you follow all the rules, not some, but all the rules. And all I ask when you guys show up here at American Dream Trading, come in with an empty cup. That's all I ask. When you guys come in, be ready to learn. That's it. Not hard, right? I know you guys, some of you have been in other rooms and discords and, all of that, Facebook groups. You're in something completely different here. I've got 20 moderators standing by. This is an actual corporation that's been in business closing in on 5 years now. Again, I've trained 1 million people have come through this door. You are in the right place. We have around 130 to 150,000 social media followers across the board with all my different social media platforms. So thank you all for being here. So do me a favor, click that follow, subscribe, and do the things. I'm going to play a quick video just so you guys know exactly the products and services we have. And at any time, anywhere you have a question, raise a hand, ask. I have moderators sitting all across the board for you. Hold on one moment. Good job, Mama Bear. I see that 23,000 this week in futures. Good job. So if you guys are interested in joining us, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for a free Discord or one of our paid membership. Our first paid membership that we have is our regular premium membership. With that, you guys will get access to our Zoom. Inside of our Zoom, you will have a live open microphone. You will get live training and trading starting at around 8:45 until market close every day at 4 p.m. when the market is open. You guys will also receive the hot stock pick, the pre-market setup, where we go over strategic levels of certain key different stocks throughout the day you can use, and also at the opening of the bell. As a regular paid member, you will also get the IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will get them first, plus all the videos on demand. We have around 11 videos to help you get started on your journey with us here at American Dream Trading. They'll go over things like day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel option strategy, our 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed from being in the stock market over 33 years. When you're ready to step it up, you can join our VIP membership. By the way, the premium membership starts at $200 a month. The VIP membership starts at $500 a month. With the VIP membership, you guys will get access to early training and trading starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours of access to us with some of our self-made millionaires, mentors. And then you'll get training with me starting around 8 o'clock every single day. You guys will get the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put on a workshop class once per month. You will get all of the previous workshop classes and any future workshop classes as long as you're a paid member. You'll also get all the VIP training videos. We have over 50 beginner and advanced videos to help your journey. We also have the TradingView indicators. These are an overlay indicator system that goes on top of TradingView. It will require a subscription, which is about $15 a month. This is my 2-minute EWO strategy. You guys can use this with stock, options, futures, and crypto. If you're a VIP member and you want to step it up to our highest level that we have right now, which is VIP Gold, you can do that for an additional $250 a month. Now, with all of our services, you can buy monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, or annual, and sometimes we have lifetime deals on these, so make sure you guys are watching for deals. With the VIP Gold, you guys are going to get all the mastermind classes for free, and we have another one coming up. I will let you know when that is coming. You'll also get 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and look at your systems and help you get set up with your charts, etc. This is not a one-on-one, but this is to help you get started if you need it. We also have weekend training every Saturday at 11 a.m. If you guys have busy lives and schedules and your jobs, right, are always in the way of you trying to get training, well, we have weekend training. We also have the VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support. We have our news service where we're giving daily and weekly outlooks of the news. We also have breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. with our other self-made millionaires and mentors, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything inside of the VIP room is recorded, so all of these sessions are recorded for you, including all the training that I had mentioned before. You can catch all of this in the replays only for VIP Gold members, so if you have busy lives, everything is recorded for you. Of course, we have other things inside of the VIP Gold, like the 90-day 30-day challenge, the debt-free challenge where we're helping you to become debt-free, and our brand new in beta live Apple chat where you guys can watch one of our moderators, David over there, live trade Apple with the 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed. He has made currently at this time as of December 2024, he is over $320,000 in profits that he has made using this strategy over the last 2 years. We also have our brand new futures membership. You guys will start getting training for futures from noon to 4 p.m. every day, and all the training videos, terminology, everything you need to get started in futures with our futures membership. With the futures membership, you guys also get the trading view indicators. So those are only available to VIP and futures members. Some of our a la carte services you guys can get. You can get a one-on-one with a moderator. We have all of our training videos like the mastermind classes, how to grow a small account part 1 and 2 when it's released, but you guys can buy those from our website. You guys can also get inside of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is $500 a month. You will sit with me every Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern for an hour in a small, intimate group where we can go over larger items or just get you kickstarted, right? Can be IRAs, 401ks, SEP, anything you guys want to talk about, swing trading, day trading, right? Anything that you guys want to get inside of that room. It's just like having a one-on-one with me every single week. And again, those are all of our products and services you guys can get at any time by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Okay, one of our members just reached out. Can everybody hear me okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So one of my members just reached out. This is pretty awesome. This is a monumental mark. You guys ready for this? This is this is insane. This is why I do what I do. Coach, the training this group provided continues to change my family's lives. I've broken the $10 million mark, and my daughter is close to her first million.
Wow.
I can't thank you all enough. We are heading to the airport for 2 weeks in Hawaii. Hope you all have a great day, and God bless. Tell me that isn't crazy.
God bless.
He also
Amen.
said, I never thought life would look like this. I struggled for so long. And now we're traveling together. Ugh. And it is and it has us closer because we talk stocks every day. Now, if you guys remember, without saying names, I swear if you say these names, I will boot you out of here, because once you start making this kind of money, we need to protect them. This was our sheriff who got injured on the job, if you guys remember, without saying names, okay? And was, I believe, 36 years old 2 years ago when he ran into us, became a millionaire, now $10 million, trained his daughter who was getting ready to go to college, if you remember. She is now closing on $1 million herself. So that is close to $11 million for this family since joining American Dream Trading 2 years ago.
Don't y'all know exactly who that is?
Yep.
That's great.
Yep.
That is great.
Yeah.
Yep, I remember too, Coach. That's
Yep.
awesome.
Yeah.
So
Very good news. Very good
it's
news.
phenomenal. So this is now an 8-figure trader, which, by the way, is one of the best traders in the world. Once you get into an 8-figure trading profit situation. Do me a favor, everybody that's watching for free. Have you ever heard of anybody else, right? I know of one other person that's a YouTuber. Maybe. No, I think he's only made $9 million after 16 years of doing this. And he trains 1 million people. He's the largest YouTuber out there doing it, by the way. And he hasn't made as much as just a couple of my moderators. But I want you guys, let me know, right? How many people do you know that's making over $10 million in the stock market? Right? It's going to be a very short list. I need you to understand this. Right. So this is a 37 or 38 28-year-old. I could be wrong, but you know, retired sheriff making this kind of money, right?
Yeah.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
Love it. Love it.
That's what I'm talking about. It's beautiful.
Why
Living the dream.
Yep.
That's why we are all here.
So that just makes my day. That just absolutely makes my day. Moderators, I'm going to post this in the moderation room so you guys can see this. Obviously, the rest of the world cannot because, again, once we start having people make this kind of money, they want to protect, their identity, which I understand. Some people can, some people can't. We've got some people in here, right, that are making over $20 million, but he was in the public eye running for Congress and all sorts of stuff. So he didn't really care and, names and stuff. But so some people do and some people don't. Moderators, I'm sharing this with you because this is a team win. Go to the moderation channel now and you will see our conversation between the two of us.
Verified.
Thank you. So this is a win for the whole team at American Dream Trading, right? This is not just me. This is everybody. This is what you guys help to do. So moderators, again, thank you so much for building an amazing community with me where we can change lives in a real, impactful way. This is what I love about this. This is what I love about my job. And I know some of you are still struggling. He was too in the beginning. I promise you, right?
Yes,
He was too. So just stay the course, stay after it. I remember when he made his first $1 million, he sent me a message and he bought his daughter a Corvette and sent a picture. Does everybody remember that?
Yeah. I remember him being on the beach trading.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, I remember.
But I remember that was the first $1 million. Went out and bought his daughter a brand new Corvette. Posted pictures for all of our memberships. It's awesome. This is what's cool, right? And everybody, is living their lives and doing their things. And I remember all he wanted to do was spend time with family. This was this most important thing to him. Same with Brady. That's all he talked about, was wanting to spend all of his time with his family. So this is what we're able to do. If you can become successful, right? This could change your life. It's not going to change everybody's life. Let's be honest. But for some of you, this will truly change your life. We've got 1 minute to the bell. This is the American Dream. That is why I named it this, American Dream Trading, because I do want for all of you to live the American dream. So congratulations to you, my friend. Have a safe flight. Thank you for reaching out, checking in with us. I love it, love it, love it. And I want all of you to be successful. It might not be $10 million. It might be 10,000, 100,000, a million, whatever it is. But I already told you. I told you again this morning. Everybody has two choices here, right? You can quit and fail, or you can stay and succeed. That's it. There's no gray area. You either want this or you don't. You're either going to stay and work at it or you're not. Nothing I can do, say, doesn't matter. It's all on you. Everybody, let's have a great day. Nobody go rogue. Let's rock and roll. What a great start. What a great start to the morning. Beautiful. All right, I can see right here SPY's starting to pull back. I'm gonna get into these shorts. Nice pullback off of SPY here. Nice, I like it. I'm still in the trade. 600, I'm up 600, 630, 637, 675, waiting. 700. Still pulling. 800, 900.
Order filled.
Taking the trade, 750 profit. I'm up 730, 320 for the day after fees and execution. Now, remember, today I will be trading out of an express funded account. I've already beaten the combine. This account was down, though, $2,700. It is now $2,000 in the hole. So I am working from a deficit. It happens. See how it goes. All right. SPY again popping up. Remember, if you guys have call outs, make sure it's clear and concise. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Google new lower day below pre-market level.
All right. Thank you.
Tesla on the double bottom. You okay, coach?
Yep, I'm working.
Reminder to all members, please mute your mics after your call outs.
Thank you. Yep, I'm here. I'm just getting messages. All right, SPY starting to pop a little bit. Apple, again, 2-minute EWO is to the downside. You're below VWAP, but please be careful. Please be careful.
Microsoft new high day.
Thank you.
Correction. Almost new high day. Double top.
Thank you.
Apple going under
Here.
pre-market level to the downside. New low day.
Thank you. Okay, SPY just touched VWAPs, pulling back
Order
again.
filled.
There we go. Nice pull right there on SPY again. I'm in it. Up 412, 487, 500.
Order filled.
Taking it. Now $1,137.30 profit for the day. I got this right off the pull of a VWAP right here for SPY. I'm trading ES futures, just so you guys know, but I'm also watching down here support at 557.30. Pulls below that. I will look at re-entering for a scalp to the downside. Apple still pulling. So nice. How we doing, gang? Good. Glad to hear it.
Sorry, my mic was off. I said I'm doing good.
All right, good.
Good morning, RGTI to the upside.
Thank you. Tesla, big pullback. Down on support, 240, 220. What are we at? 243.50. SPY bouncing off support, 557.30. Apple still to the downside. 2-minute EWOs are in effect. Everybody's making money over there in the 2-minute EWOs. A nice job. Make sure you guys are shedding technique. 50, 20, 20, 10. SPY starting to pop. It did bounce off 557.30, which was my support level. I will be looking at going long if it can break and hold above up here on VWAP. I'll have a tight stop just below VWAP. Right here, that this candle has to give me confirmation or I'm not going to go long. Remember, I'm going to, if I do, I will go long with a tight stop just below VWAP. But I don't trust this yet, only because of the simple fact that it's sitting at previous resistance level. It did this 3 times in this exact same spot. Being patient. Don't have a lot of room to the upside. Patience is your friend. Wait for A+ setups. If this goes below VWAP, I'm
Order
shorting.
filled.
Intel is taken off.
Intel's taken off. Thank you.
Member call out in the chat. XOM Green EWO.
Thank you.
Order filled.
Taking a loss on that, $300. Did not like that setup. It bounced back up. Gonna wait. Apple getting a big pop above VWAP now.
Order filled.
Apple with a big pop, big surge to the upside here. SPY, same thing, getting a huge spike in volume. It's now 936.
Order filled.
Tesla is still
Taking
going to go
that.
straight to hell.
Thank
to the
you.
downside.
SPY to
Order
the
filled.
downside below VWAP now. Taking that to the downside off of SPY. There's a nice pull. Beautiful.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Straight down.
SPY on that support 557.30. See if we can break through that. There we go. Come on, baby. Break through 557.30. I moved my take profit a little bit low here just in case it bounces off that level. If it breaks through here, we'll have a nice pull. Otherwise, I will take $400 off this trade. Looking for a nice pull here at 557.30 on SPY to the downside, but be careful. This is support.
Order filled.
Just took my profit. If it breaks below 557.30, I will short this. Not financial tax or investment advice. There goes the pop off 557.30. We've been talking about this all morning now. Everybody should be able to make money. Thank you. Apple still above VWAP, closing in on the 200 over on the 2-minute now. That's why we collect when we're in the money. SPY getting a huge candle to the upside. It's tried this several times, though. Several times.
Order filled.
SPY sitting right here. I've got this set for a short with a tight stop. Only because it's tried this pop 3 times. Exact same spot. If it longs, I'll kill it. There it goes in the profit. We're flat. Putting in my stop loss above a previous candle high.
Order filled.
Just got stopped out. I was trying to move it. It was a little too tight. That's okay. I'd rather get stopped out and look for a better trade. Yeah, that was too tight of a stop because this is still to the downside with a lot of momentum in the downside now. Nice pull.
Order filled.
Took profit too early. It jumped right back up, took profit. Still to the downside here on SPY, below VWAP. Market's very choppy. Everybody be cool. Tesla still continuing to bleed out. Nvidia is flat, it's trading sideways.
Amazon and Meta and you lower day downside.
Thank you. Q's, same thing. Q's to the downside. Careful right here with SPY. Yep, doing the same thing. I want to wait for a definitive setup at this point. It's chopped me up a couple times, so be careful.
Apple is holding SPY basically right now.
I see it. Apple sitting at the 200. SPY starting to get move above VWAP here. Tesla still to the downside. Nvidia starting to get a bounce to the upside. Anybody see any hot stock picks moving? No? Okay. Anybody see anything else going on while I'm trading this over here?
In trade code.
Thank you.
Order filled.
Just let me know if you guys see something.
Tesla's on a double bottom from yesterday's low.
Thank you. SPY getting a little pop here.
Meta just had a big sell off.
Thank you.
Still don't trust SPY to the upside.
I've got SPY to the downside here. We'll see.
Yeah.
SSP to the upside.
Thank you. But we're still waiting here because this VWAP is critical, but it's still heavy and it hasn't made a decision to make new highs. So it's still heavy.
Everything is pulling but Apple.
I see it. Apple's starting to pull back off the 200 here. SPY is just bouncing all over the place.
Order
BS
filled.
second ready WO.
Thank you. SPY just popped. Big time right there. Took me for a ride. See if we're going to get a pullback here at this 559 level, double top, triple top.
That's also green or red, coach.
I see it.
WM climbed up nicely.
Thank you. Yeah, Q's popped. NVIDIA did.
Order filled.
We had a pushback up there at 559. I shorted this. I waited too long. I should have shorted it closer to the top and went in smaller, but now it's turning into a nice trade. I'll add if it drops below here.
Order filled.
Just added. Still to the downside. Continues to bleed out. I'll add another.
Amazon, Meta, Tesla, new lower day, Google too.
Thank you. Just added
NVIDIA
another.
double bottom.
Just added another.
Order filled.
Took 400 on that trade. Look at where it bounced. 357.31. Everybody see it? I'll make it 30.
Below, coach.
Yep, exact same spot. Didn't I have this marked earlier? I said that was support, right? Look at it.
Yes, sir.
It's hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Nice and heavy here below the 9.
Order filled.
Going small.
Market is pulling right now.
Here we
Everybody.
go. Here we go, everybody. Look for this break. There it goes, 557.30. That's the break we're looking for. Come on, baby, break. You've hit it a bunch of times.
Order filled. Order filled.
There it goes. There it goes. Come on, baby. Flush out.
Order filled.
Made 200 on it. Come on, flush. It's in a new area down there. Everybody sees it, right?
Order filled.
Yes?
Yes.
Order filled.
Everybody should be making money. It broke 557.30. Come on, print. Looking for 556.20 next. Everybody should be making money.
On puts, right?
Yeah.
If you're on calls, you got your ass handed to you, so I hope you didn't do that. All right, here we go. If it breaks above, I'm going to long it. Otherwise, we're looking to short here again.
Order filled.
I'm shorting it again right here. See if it's got, because it hit resistance, pull back. It's dancing. It's dancing at this level.
Order filled.
Taking it. Hit the 9 and pulled. Come on, baby. What you going to do? Talk. What you got for us? Hit the 9 and
Order
pulled.
filled.
Hit the 9 and pulled.
Order filled.
Add in another.
Order filled.
Adding another.
Order filled.
Still sitting here. Right at that critical level, 557.30, correct?
Yes. By the way, Coach, if you look at with the pre-market on SPY, you have like a pennant too. If you look at the level with the pre-market, notice that, and it's exactly on it.
Thank you.
Coach, 3 trades combined complete.
Oh, good job. Good
Day 4.
job. Nice job. Good job. Now, is this day 1 or day 2?
Day 4 will be practicing within the platform. Next week, if I like my stats, I'm going to go live.
Oh, nice, nice. Now, I've got one affiliate over there if you want to use that.
Did you actually get it?
Well, I have one is set up. This one is not yet. The one I'm using today, I don't have the affiliate for, but the other one I do, which is 80% off right now. It's the cheapest one out there right now that I have the affiliate for. Everybody, if you're in futures, go to Get Funded Links. If you use that, I think it's 80% off today with my link.
I'll check it out. Thank you.
Yep. Just remember, they all have their own rules and strategies and all that stuff. So
We did a little bit of training in futures yesterday on this one.
good job. SPY pulling below that 537.30. What group do we buy into in order to be in your morning setups? That's so VIP starts at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. and that is the VIP membership. Otherwise, the regular premium membership start at 8:45 until 4 p.m. VIP is where it's at, though. I'm just telling you right now.
I kind of like VIP Gold because of Saturdays.
Yes, and the live Apple chat, right?
Yes, sir.
Can't go wrong with that. By the way, congratulations to David. Now over $500,000. One of our training moderators has made, and now training the live Apple chat, showing you guys exactly how he's was successful doing that. SPY still pulling. That was below that 557.30 level. I told you support was at 556.30. Nice. That's a beautiful gap fill right there. Did everybody get in on that? Did everybody make any money off that trade?
I did.
Thank you. Thank you. How we doing, gang? It's awful. Why is it so quiet today? What's going on in here?
I was going to say something, but
Yeah, it's way too. Why is it so quiet?
People making
Everybody's
money, Coach.
laser focused.
Oh my gosh. God, that's a lot of money.
a lot of focus.
All right.
Yeah, we all in trade focusing.
Okay. All right. Everybody be cool. Don't attack me. Goodness
And
gracious.
it's not 10 a.m. yet.
Okay, well, there's got to be more call outs going on than just me trading spies, putting millions of dollars into your pocket in a single trading session.
Meta is beautiful.
Thank you. That's what I'm talking about.
Google too, Tesla's great in the downside too.
I see
Tesla, look at that thing.
Yep, Q's.
Tesla's beautiful right now. Tesla's so beautiful.
Yes, calling that out all morning, right? Downside. Same with NVIDIA, same with the Qs, same with SPY.
PLTR to the downside.
PLTR to the downside. Thank you. Nice job, everybody.
RGC just unhalted to the upside.
Thank you.
Making money.
IWM to the downside.
Thank you.
Coach, up $3,000 from your callouts.
Oh my gosh, nice job. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yay.
RGC halted again at high day.
Thank you.
$5 minutes to ship change.
Thank you. SPY still below 557.30. Who's still in those shorts?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Move to TV for practice, Coach. Another 2K.
Oh, nice job. Good. There goes the dump. Look at that on SPY. Oh my gosh, gang.
No,
Yes.
Coach.
Yes.
Coach, Coach, I'll tell you in a minute how much I'm up with. Man.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Work your trade. You're good.
I'll bet you anything.
Right here. Hold on one sec. 550, 550. I've got support. I don't know how strong it is. Hold on. Oh, that's pre-market. Pre-market double bottom, gang. Collect. If it moves below it, you can add collect.
I was just going to mention that level, Coach.
Yep. It's 5. Yeah, well, technically it's 554, 555.
You can see 555.
Yeah,
That is a
555.
gold line.
555 is a double bottom. So at 555, everybody watch the natural double bottom off the pre-market low. Remember, collect. If it breaks through, add. That way you can lock in your profits. And then if it still continues to go your way, you can add in, right? 50, 20, 20, 10, even on them scalps if you can do it. But you are right here. This is double bottom and it's touching 550, 518. Remember, it's 20 to 40 cent variance. That's all of this right here.
Shift change in 4 minutes.
Thank you. You guys see my little handy dandy drawings? I'm trying to do it both ways. 20 to 40 cent variance would look like this. See it? Be 60. Right here. And this one. Can you guys all see it? That right there is the double bottom with a 20 to 40 cent variance. You're in it right now. If it breaks out through that, not financial tax or investment advice, but I look at adding.
And then you have low of yesterday at 553.60.
553.60. Thank you. So 553.50. Thank you.
ES level at 555.50 and previous day low at 55.50.25.
Perfect. Thank you. Damn, you guys are good.
It's all your fault, Coach.
I mean, all big seven are just straight down right now.
Yep.
All of them.
You guys are on a double bottom pre-market on SPY. You can see it on my screen. This is where you collect. And then you can add if it breaks. Good job.
2 minutes to shift change.
Thank you. Yeah, 553.69 is low of day yesterday. So this is the pre-market low, and the gap down to previous day is this 553.69. Which will have more strength than this one. This is pre-market low.
Coach, check out Meta.
I'm sure it's doing the same as everything else, pulling, right?
Oh, it's clear.
Yeah.
Bounce to the downside.
All right, thank you.
It's like Tesla and Google. They look the same as well as Amazon.
Thank you.
1 minute to shift change.
Thank you.
Yeah, be careful right here on SPY. You never know what can happen here.
I've been saying it for 25 minutes straight. If you guys aren't listening yet, I don't know what else I can do, right?
That's right.
I mean, there's not a lot more I can do other than hold your hand through this.
It's a collect
No,
valley here.
So you can see I've clearly marked out pre-market low, previous day low right here. So you guys can see those. And I told you to collect in this side, in this range, off this one now. And then if it breaks through, you can add, but this is where you collect. Just like if you're still in the short game, when it bounces up to that 9, you can add some there, and that way it'll reset you back up for success, coming back down to the natural, coming back down to the gap. Thank you, shift change now. Look for volume to come in. Right now, everything is to the downside. So remember, the bias is to the downside, but just trade the trades. Don't get your face ripped off. Use your stops. Shed technique when you guys are in profit. Add only when it's going with you. Do not dollar cost average into a loss. Only a win.
That means twist your fingers and hope for the best, right, Coach?
Yeah. That means if you're in up over your head, just hang on to your ass and hope that something happens while you're getting your account blown up.
Right, and throw more money at it.
Just keep adding fuel to the fire and just keep crying.
Right?
Yeah.
Man,
Sooner or later they'll come back.
on what not to do. You know
yeah,
that?
and then cancel your membership because you're just not cut out for this.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that part.
Yeah. Because you can't follow the freaking sound of my voice at all.
Here's the kicker. That's the hardest things to do, by the way.
Listen and apply. You're correct.
I mean, let's be honest. You're fighting with yourself. It's the hardest thing to do.
It is.
I'm not a quitter. I'll get more money from my mom.
I'll reload the account and blow it up again, right?
Hey, Coach, I did that twice in the past, so.
Yeah. Everybody be cool. Now, listen, remember, we're still on the short of 557.30. Does everybody remember when we shorted that?
Yes, Coach, I do.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm like, I was like, am I the only one?
I was waiting for the cricket.
Yeah. It was coming. Mandy, it was coming.
Coach, I'm up $46.50 on a $4,000 account.
Hammer it.
Damn it, that's what I'm talking about.
Dang, nice job.
Woo!
Don't crickets no more.
Hell yeah.
That's in futures, thanks to Mark and Ange.
Where else can you do this, Coach?
Nowhere. Ange and Mark, congratulations to both of you. Only Coach gets 0 love.
Thanks, Coach.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Damn
all
it, Mark.
because of
I didn't mean it that way, Coach.
I
Sorry.
know, I'm just messing. Hey, congratulations to Kyle. Kyle just scooped up a VIP Gold Complete Lifetime membership. Congratulations, Kyle. Make sure you check your email and link it to your Discord. Thank you. Now, who collected down here? Who collected down here when Coach said this is where you
Yes,
collect
I did,
your
Coach.
I didn't collect, but I
money
got the double bottom.
Thank you. Again, you will either listen or I don't know what you're doing. Just do your own thing. I don't know. Good job. Good job.
Coach, what do you think about that 250 on Apple?
Let me look. Apple's still to the downside. You guys, I am showing support though at 214.50-ish. Yeah, but you're still to the downside, still respecting the 9. If you guys are a VIP Gold member, you're listening to the sound of David's voice, right? Thank you. Appreciate you. Look at my little drawings up here. Look at this advanced technology. We're just drawing all over the place here, man. Now, SPY hit the 21 and pulled back. Bullish. Excuse me. Bearish. Not bullish. Bearish. Downside. We better watch that. So as long as it stays below the 21, this is still downside. Everybody see it? Thank you. But you guys have a couple of critical levels, right? I want to see this gap back down to 553.50. But this 556.30 is a big deal. This was previous area pre-market. So if it goes above, or I was going to say it goes above, you got to long it above 556.30. Back up to VWAP with your stop tight just below it here. Not a lot of room, so be careful. This is where they will scoop you guys up thinking it's a full reversal. This is where a lot of people will get into trouble, so just be careful. Congratulations again, Kyle. We appreciate you. Kyle, a brand new member, by the way, just signed up. Let's see, 17 minutes ago. Beautiful.
In the stock lounge, Coach.
Is he in the stock lounge?
Oh, I just tagged him. He's OG from back in the day.
Oh, nice. Welcome back. Thank you. Nice. What an amazing day so far. One of our members is showed up, made over 10 million. Another member, his daughter, $1 million, close to $1 million in profits so far since joining American Dream Trading. Very nice. Results not guaranteed, and that's not typical, by the way. I'm just saying that's what those two have done. Mark, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
Two things I'm done trading for the day. I've made a nice little income this morning, and
Nice.
I've already processed my withdrawal from my Weeble account for my profits of the week.
Ooh, nice.
As you know, that's what you know that goes to every week, as I've talked about before, paying down debt.
Good job.
Anyhow, Coach.
Yes.
For those who aren't aware, we have a live futures education and training program, which is an outreach of AmericanDreamTrading.com, starting at 2 p.m. through 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. For those tuning in today, we will have a special offer for those watching live on our socials.
Ooh.
So if we have our paid members in here, you might want to take advantage of this special offer yet to be revealed. Join us live on our socials.
Yes.
YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it. It's there.
All the things.
That's even for our paid members. You'll have to be on our live socials to see what this special.
Nice job. Thank you, Mark. Mark doing such a great job over there. Let's give it up for Mark, huh, everybody? Let's hear it for Mark. Mark just doing a bang up job over there. I appreciate you. Ange with the assist, and Doug, thank you guys so much over there. You guys are crushing it. Appreciate it.
I'm just along for the ride, Coach. Those two are incredible.
Right.
Coach, I'm gone too.
Talk to me, GC.
I didn't mean to do this today, but a little over 100,000 on Meta, $134,850.
$134,000 today, by the way. Everybody that's watching live, how many people that you guys have watched is making over six figures in a single trading session? By the way, it's only been 30 minutes. $138,000. Congratulations. Nice job.
$134,850.
$134,850. Nice
Hell
job.
yeah.
Good job. And the market's been open for 39 minutes.
Nate, what made you trade Meta today?
He's been trading Meta a lot.
Yeah, that candle right there coming off that 9 at 9:37.
Oh yeah,
that's right there.
Yes.
Meta had a clear view to the downside the whole time.
Yeah, it did. It did.
Nothing told you to get out of the trade.
It stayed under the 9 the whole time. Perfectly stairs to the downside. Look at that, gang.
We teach that in the morning. That watch candle was 9:36. The entry candle was 9:37.
There it
Yes,
is.
sir. I knew Nate GC wasn't Meta because of the way the candles were forming.
There you go. He's been
But he
trading
teaches
Meta
every
a
morning,
lot
though.
too. He's
Thank
been
you,
trading a
GC.
lot. Nice job.
Yes.
Good job. Nice job, everybody. By the way, GC is over $13 million in profits.
Yeah, I'm knocking the door down on 14.
He's closing in. He's closing the gap on $14 million. By the way, this is not fake prop firm money. You know, none of that. This is real cash. Nice job, GC. Enjoy the rest of your day, my friend.
Thanks, sir.
That's beautiful. Beautiful. Woo! Love it. Where else do you guys hear anything like that? It's funny. I see all these people clamoring about, I'm the greatest stock market trader. We have the greatest stock market traders in the world here. I need you guys to start to grasp the concept of what we're doing here at American Dream Trading. There is no place on earth that does what we do. Do you guys understand me? This isn't a one-off. This isn't one person out of thousands that are making money. Not at all. This isn't the unicorn, right? GC's not the unicorn who turned 500 into close to, closing in on $14 million. This isn't a one-time success story. I've been live 2 years and 7 months. We've made 10 people over $1 million. Again, closing in on $200 million in profits. Don't come at me for receipts. I can't fact check all of them, but I know some of them. I know the ones that got up to $20 and $30 million. I got receipts on some of them.
He's not lying. I've
Yep.
been here since then.
Thank you. I'm just saying, when I throw out the numbers, people are like, there's no way in hell the greatest stock market trader I've ever heard in my life has made $9 million after 16 years. Yeah, I think I've got 5 people making over that in 2 years, and only one of them have any experience before me. Yeah, so you'd be all right. That is the American Dream Trading difference. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? This is crazy. I don't know why there's not 18 million people beating down. Well, it's because they don't know we're here. Everybody do me a favor. Go out on x.com. You guys have heard crazy stuff today. One member's made 10 million. Another member's made almost $1 million. We got a member today who's made 130,000. You had members that make $1 million every single month for the last 3 months. You've got two members that have made $2 million over the last 3 months in the single month. I don't see any of those tweets. Where are they? Are they on X? Did you guys post them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Rumble, Kickster? Where is it? Tell me today, and I will go out there and find them. Tell me where you guys are posting all of this. Where are you guys posting this? I want to see it right now. Get over there. Action, are you serious? You have never seen anybody in your life do what we're doing and you got something stupid to say? Dude, come on. Yep, you just got smoked. You just got smoked. How do you feel? Hey, moderators, remember, just mute them. Don't block them because we'll use them as fuel for the fire on the algorithm. They'll just be stuck there typing out crap. They don't even know that nobody can ever see them again.
Love it.
That's
Love
my
it. Love
favorite.
it.
That's my favorite. They
That's
think they're
amazing.
getting away with stuff, and they're just typing away, and nobody sees it, and we're just boosting the views off these clowns. Woo!
I don't know how you couldn't be inspired.
That's crazy,
outside
right?
looking in.
Yes.
I mean, you're real people.
Right.
I think it's a scam.
Yeah, it's...
Hey, hurt people.
But there's too many people in here for it to be a scam, right? There's just too many.
Right.
It's not like
Right.
me and, a soundboard.
Right.
Right now, there's 400 people in this room in Zoom. 393 people live inside of the Zoom. Everybody right now, open your microphones and let the world know. This is a live trading community doing this. Let them know.
Yeah. Good morning.
Hey, how much did you pay for that soundboard? That's a lot of folks.
Yeah, it is.
10:15 a.m. Eastern time.
Yeah, baby.
They're just jealous.
American Dream Trading.
What an amount of success.
Love it. Love it. Love your faces. Love your faces.
Okay, here's something that's real. I'm
Tell
up
me.
$12 on LFWD. So see, not all of us are, like
12 bucks?
killing
Good job, Coco. Good job, Coco.
Green
Coco-
screen.
Good job,
That's
Coco.
right. Coco's up 12 bucks on Hot Stock Pick LFWD.
Oh
Nice
wait,
job.
35. Sorry, 35.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice
Coach,
job.
we may not be setting the world on fire, but we're making more than they are sitting at their job looking at TikTok.
Yeah, absolutely. So Alfredo, nice name, says, how come he never talks about the people who lose money? We do all the time. Listen, We are legitimately here 12 hours a day. You think we don't talk about people that are losing money? Are you serious? We're here 60 hours a week, more than any other training and trading community that has ever existed, that has ever been known to mankind. Of course, we talk about the losses too. We have a
Just check
profit and
the-
loss.
Just check the profit and loss
Yeah,
channel.
we have a
People
profit
put their
and
stuff.
loss every day. Now
Right.
listen.
I lost
Notice
$200 yesterday.
Coach,
There you go.
That's because there's more winners than losers.
that now and listen
Right.
though. Here's the thing. This is what I need you guys to understand. It says profits and loss. Notice it doesn't say profits, right? Which would be great for marketing. Notice I have both, right? Yeah, and I lost money yesterday, live in front of all of you. What are you talking about? This is legitimate. We do this every single day. We're here every day. It's funny. You guys will come in here and see literally the most profitable traders the world has ever seen, and you guys will say something stupid. How is that possible? How are you seeing Guinness Book of World Records type numbers, and you're like, yeah, but what about them taxes? Oh my. I can't do it. Hold on a minute. This is for you. Oh, goodness gracious. All right. Anyways, let's get back at hand. SPY right here above the 200 now. SPY above the 200. Now, here's the lesson. And we have some great, I'm sure, videos coming out for this. How many of you collected when I said to at this bottom pre-market low area that I highlighted in red, that I put a big ginormous rectangle around and said, this is where you collect profits?
I did.
I did.
I did,
Plus,
Coach.
we're here over 60 hours a week, every week.
I did.
I did, Coach.
Thank you, because if you didn't right now, you're like,
Only I collect, but I reversed the script once it was above VWAP, and I just collect again.
Now look at my little chart. Look at the little area that I drew out for you. Right? Look at this. Come on, man. Duca says, I didn't, not gonna lie. Duca watching over there on TikTok for free. Come on, man. I hope you did.
Coach,
I hope you collected.
I bought in at that SPY. Does that count?
It does. Absolutely does. Because that was a double bottom bounce off pre-market low, right?
And by the way, SPY's on the second EWO to the upside.
Yes, it is. And SPY is now above the 200, as mentioned earlier, right? That's beautiful.
Same with Tesla.
Coach,
Thank
look at
you.
NVIDIA.
Yep, I see
They all
it.
doing the same thing.
Yep, I see
All
it.
of them.
The whole market. Now listen, gang. Listen to the sound of my voice. You're coming up on a double top. Everybody be cool. Now, we've got two double tops for SPY. You've got one at 559. It almost exactly looks like to the penny. Then you have another one around 559.60. I need you to see them and pay attention. Now, we already hammered the double bottom bounce, and you collected if you were in those puts. And as soon as it started to make a run to the upside, obviously you guys would have collected. You guys got in on the downside of 557.30, rode it all the way down to 554.45. Nice job. Now you guys are coming up on a double top, or a huge double, or a quad top. So everybody's going to be cool up here because this is going to be the new resistance level. But there's two. 559, 559.50. You already know there's a 20 to 40 cent variance, which tells me if it's coming off of 559, I better be paying attention around 558.60, right? 40 cents. I'm going to start watching in that area. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's also red to green.
That's right. So it's going to look like this. And you've got to be careful because this leads right up into that 559.50. I'm going to mark this side in green, right? Long green. Down here was the bounce for the short, okay? So you need to be careful the closer we get up here. So if you guys have been on the ride to the upside, you guys are going to start shedding. So you're going to watch and start to protect. Collect as it goes. Only add. When is the only time you guys are allowed to add? When should you add? When?
When it's going your way.
That's right. You are not allowed to add if it's going against you. That is called dollar cost averaging into a loser. We don't DCA into a loser, only into a winner. So please be careful. Now look at what we've been talking about. I said SPY's coming up on this double top. Well, it's a quad top, but look at this. Now it pulled back. It just touched the 9 and the 21. It stayed up tall. We'll see if it can stay up here. But notice this level that it pulled back from, right? It's a major level, right?
Yeah.
It's also the top of the 15-minute candle, Coach.
And don't we collect at major levels?
We do.
That's right. Because that way we can lock in profits, right?
And it's on the 9 right now.
That's right. It's on the 9 and the 21 right now. So it could bounce off this and make new highs. But notice this is a giant cup and handle being formed right here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're looking for the bounce. It could be off the 921 or VWAP here. Right? This is the 200. Here's the 21. Right there's the 9. And right there's VWAP. So we are looking to see if we're going to get a reversal, but it could come all the way to here, which is this spot, before it does it. This is why we collect up here and down here off of these trades. I think we just released like 3 or 4 videos, 6 videos or something in a series that talks about this entire setup, right?
Yeah, I haven't watched all of them yet.
Yeah, I have a whole series on this exact setup, both sides, the inverse and this setup. A whole series we just released.
Coach, and is it the same thing for Tesla that it's testing VWAP?
Let me look. Oops, hold on a sec. Let me pull it up. Yeah, but Tesla's different. This isn't a cup and handle situation, right? Tesla's the boot, right? Or I call it the hook. You see how it's hooking up?
Yes.
So if and only if you can get this break of VWAP, you'll have a nice run to the possibly the 200, but I need to pull back in time. Let me look. No, it's right here. All right. So right here. So if this pops above VWAP, I'm looking for around 240, 225 on the pop of VWAP. See it right there? So, which is
Yes,
quite a bit. I mean, that's quite a move, believe it or not. That's over $1.50, $1.75 move from here to here. So that's good. That's a good setup above VWAP with my stop tight under V, and there it goes. But this is that boot I talk about. There's your cup and handle bounce on SPY, ladies and gentlemen. It hit the 200, bounced, and it just, now it's at resistance again. Does everybody see it?
Yes.
Cup, handle, 200, bounce, bullish. Now, yep, now we're waiting to see if we can break into this key area. That's a beautiful setup right there.
Coach, and beat us on a power run.
Yep, and I've got a ton of videos on this.
Wait for the entry.
Got my
That's right.
candle, Coach. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice. Now you guys are up in that critical area. You can see it on my screen. Everybody be careful up there. You already know if it cannot break, that is going to be a nasty pull. but it is more bullish than bearish at this point. That is a cup and handle. But this, you know, again, if it can't hold up here, though, people are going to lose faith in buying it, and it will tank. It's beautiful. It's trying. Volume right now is at 10 million. Watch down here. Watch your volume indicators. You see how sellers are in there? Watch your L2s. You can also see it if I expand this a little bit. Look down here, gang. Look at this. See this down here? This is your volume, and if they're buyers or sellers, see it?
There's sellers there.
Yep. You see how it's a red volume candle right here, the indicator? So that's showing me there's sellers right there. You could see a long, giant buyers indicator. But do you see all these sellers? You can see it in the volume indicator right here, right? Look at down here. Boy, it gets quiet when the coach starts training. Everybody be cool.
We're just listening and focus right now. That's it.
Yeah. Watching my
We're all
L2s.
making money.
Right?
Yep, you're teaching.
That's right. Watch it. Watch the L2s. Now, if you guys look up here, you can see more buyers are coming in than sellers. If you guys watch this graph. So the green is the bid. That's the buyers. The ask is over here in the red. That's your sellers. And you can see it's showing 50 sets. And if you watch the graph, you can see who's in charge. You can see sellers right now. Now here comes the buyers. You see how it keeps flip-flopping? And then you're going to pay attention to this. I'm also watching the volume right here. I already know this is a major resistance level, and I'm keeping an eye on the 9. So I'm watching all of this at the same time. I'm watching my indicators.
Damn, I just learned a lot.
Yeah, and right here too, right? Remember I said if it doesn't pop through there, buyers are going to get really fatigued, right? It's because they get scared. That's what happens. Think about it. If you had a buy order in there and it's sitting at a point where you need to break through and you're like, oh, I don't know. How many of you would just go, all right, I'm just going to get out because I don't like it? That's what happens to buyers. You guys have been that buyer, right?
Yes, coach.
Yes, sir.
Right. That's what happens.
If
You
it
lose.
doesn't pop,
There it
people are like,
goes.
it's not happening up.
Yep. And remember, what did I say? I said if it can't pop right here, it's going to be a nasty knife drop. What is this candle?
Nasty knife drop.
That's almost a full 1 minute candle. That's the wick. Is that nasty? Is that a knife drop? It's the largest candle of the day. Was I right or wrong? Knife.
Yeah, and that was about a $100 drop on the contract.
Yep.
That's a money candle, coach.
Yep. Good job. But I'm telling, and look at it. Look at it now. Now you already know
Back to me, what?
557, gang. 557.30 was everything earlier, right?
Yes, coach.
All right. So this is support.
Yes, sir.
Apple just pull it nasty. New day.
Yep.
That's what happened.
So watch right here. If this isn't support, we're going to nights, but this is support. So if you guys were in puts, we collect here. Yes? Hello?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Look at this. Do you believe in magic? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
Good job. Good job. Wasn't 557.30 support before, so wouldn't it want to try to get bought up right there? Now the kids on TikTok and some people would like to call it a liquidity sweep. It's called support. It's support. People were there.
I believe in coach.
Yes, people were down there ready to buy. We like to call it waiting in the weeds, right? This is support. What do we do on support? What can we buy on support?
Oh.
That's right.
Calls on support.
Calls on support and puts on resistance.
I'm so pissed. My order didn't go through. I could have made money here.
That's all right. But so did everybody
I
follow
know that
along? Did you guys all make money? Did it make sense? Are you listening to the sound of my voice, or are you just doing your own shit and you don't know what's going on? And now you're like, well, I don't know. I guess I'm not made for this. How many of you are doing that? I swear if you raise your hand, I'm just kicking you out. You don't even need to cancel your membership because you can't even listen to me. Billy.
I'm getting better.
Billy the Kid, you got your hand up. Talk to me.
Hi, Coach.
Talk to
Yeah,
me.
looking back at your time, I'm going to say, at the high there, 925, 926. So when we came up on that high, what would you say? Okay, so you're saying look for this high, look for the reversal. This is where we're topping up here.
Uh-huh.
And go short. What would you say would be the good indication to enter your trade for the short? When like about what would you, looking at candles, what would you say like this is your entry point? This is signaling, telling you buy puts.
Yeah, I don't need to look at the candles, but I can tell you one, and we'll talk about it in a second. But we already knew, so we're talking about now, I assume. We already know this is resistance. How do we know that? Because it happened here, and it could not break at the open here, right? Everybody? Okay?
Yes.
Now, if we're looking at just a candle to tell me, this is a seller's candle. Can you see it?
I do. Yep.
So it tried to make the move, and all the sellers up there are like, no. Pushed it right back, lights out. It tried to make the move, which guess what? If it would have broke up here, this thing would have been a rocket ship. All the buyers would have poured in and been like, this is the time, and they would all jumped on. But the second that it came up here, and it got shoved right back in everybody's face, right? It's like pushing them away from you. Everybody abandoned ship and got the hell out. And this is why I told you guys, if it does not pop through there, all the buyers will get fatigued. They will not want to be in it. They will be afraid of everybody selling, and they want to get out before everybody else sells. And that's what they did. That was the drop. Then we hammered it off of VWAP, and it was sitting at our 557.30. Why? Because that was our previous level of support. Then we drove it all the way back up to the upside, which it hit right here. And now we're back down here again on support.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Ooh,
RGC new high.
Breathe, coach, breathe.
Okay, coach.
That was me bowing to everybody, by the way. That's how you bow in Shaolin Kung Fu.
Ding, ding, ding.
That's
and
for
bow.
you. That's for you. That's what happens. And you did 5 years of training so you can survive the ghetto. That's what you get out of it, is a proper bow. Right here, sitting on support, VWAP. See it? Yeah, you do.
Since it's come back, are we doing again the call, the play to the upside?
We
Or
are
we're waiting because it came back pretty fast.
Well, listen. We are until it shows us something different. Now it is starting to respect the 9 right here. So I don't want to mess with this right here. You can see that this is it literally showed you support on these 2 candle wicks on the bottom. That means I will not go short until I break both of these 2 candle wicks to the downside. Otherwise, I am still longing this until it happens, until it shows me. I will long it every time it touches here with a stop here. Touches again, I'll long it, stop here. Touches again, I'll long it, stop here. So on and so forth until it shows me otherwise. Then once it does break through the downside, my stop will be triggered. I will reverse it. I'll call flip the script. We'll go from longs to shorts, and then I'll ride this all the way back down to this new gravy train 556.32, which will be your gap down, and then look for the next move. Woosah. Woosah. You guys didn't know you were going to get ASMR. Woosah.
Goose fry. You falling asleep, coach? Too
You
much
got
action.
yourself a mushroom coffee this morning, coach?
No. Just trying to give the crowd what they want. Just trying to give them what they want. A little bit of entertainment. While you're making your money.
Need some of that karate chop.
Yeah. Don't forget, tip your moderators. They'll be here all week. Thank you. I'm all hopped up on Mountain Dew. I will jump up and scissor kick you in the back of the head. There's support. 556.32. You saw it. Who saw it? Huh?
I saw it.
All right.
Coach, what do you think of Tesla right now?
I think Tesla's to the downside. You're below VWAP, the 9 and the 21. You would have your stop just above VWAP, but it looks like it wants to pull.
Okay, thank you.
Not financial tax or investment advice, because you could get volume and spike in there. That's why you guys will use your said stops that we talk about every single day inside of our rules before you begin.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. NVIDIA pulled back at 117.76. If you were a VIP member and you had our trading view indicators, it would have showed you exactly where it was going to do that. Let me flip my screen now, ladies and gentlemen, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This will blow your minds. Give me 1 second. About to have your minds blown. If you are a VIP member, you get this for free. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this up. Hold on just 1 second. Why is it not pulling up? Give me 1 second. Hold on. Yeah, this should be it. Why are you not showing up? Bear with me. We're having technical difficulties. Bear with me. Twitch, chat, YouTube, nope. Yeah, nope. Nope, this is the one. Why are you not showing it? All right. I don't know. Give me 1 second, gang. Let me add it. Bear with me. Bear with me. Wow, that is not showing this for some reason. There it goes. Hey, can you guys see it now? Free users?
Yep.
Thank you. Hold on. I'm going to show all of you on Zoom. I want you guys to pay attention. Attention. ADT shoppers.
Attention.
Attention. Look at what we've got here. I need you guys to look at this. Right here. Top. Look. Bottom. Top. Bottom. Look at it. Look at where they're bouncing. If you were a VIP member, you too would have access to our trading view indicators, and you would see this in advance. That's that advanced technology that we're talking about. You guys can get that with 47 easy payments of $17.99. You too would be able to have your advanced trading view indicators. Okay?
You have issues, dude.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
Thank you. That's nice.
Did Coach find it?
That's nice. Now look at SPY trying to break through support 556.32. It is not a break and hold. Nobody is shorting this right here. Right? I know you want to. I can see it in your face. Just wait.
But what if we're already on the put and green?
Well, then you're good to go. But I would collect, though, wouldn't I, Nana?
Oh, I have a stop loss in the right place. Yes.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, because this is support. Good job. Good job. Nice job, everybody, by the way. Let's see. Anybody else? Nope, Kyle was the last one. Don't forget, everybody, if you want to sign up with us, make sure you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Go to the profits section. Profits. Go to the pricing, scroll down. I was looking at profits on Discord. Scroll down. You will see everything down there. Check it out. Check it out. All right, let me go over to X right now and see who posted all the amazing stuff you guys heard today. Let's see who posted over on X today. By the way,
Damn it, I forgot today. I got up late. Shoot.
thank
I
you.
do that
Who
today,
who
Coach.
is
You know I do.
who is making money right now in our creator rewards program that is available to every single person in this room to make money? Who's in there right now? Who's in our creator rewards program and making money right now? Who's doing that? That tells me you guys are not
I
listening.
know we've got at least a few, Coach.
Yeah.
I don't know why they're not talking.
Listen,
I
go.
want to later.
Get.
Still looking for that link.
I post every day. I don't know if I'm in the program.
No. Hold on. You're not in the program. If you don't know if you're in the program, you're not in the program.
Yeah. But I'm making money, so.
Hold on. Listen up. Listen up. Let me hold on. Bruno, where did we put it? Hold on. I'm looking. We made a whole new channel for it. Is Bruno in here? Bruno?
Yes.
Where's
it's
the
going to be? And you talk about rewards?
Yeah,
Content rewards?
Yeah,
Yep.
the rewards.
Rewards, yeah.
Where
Up in the top, new members right here.
There it is. Okay. If you guys go to new members, let me share my screen. This is huge. All right. Can you guys see my Discord?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me make sure everybody over here for free can see this. If you guys want to make money right now, I'm not kidding. Yes, right now. I know it's crazy. Coach is always giving away money. It's ridiculous. Doesn't even make sense. All this guy does is give away money. I know. Here it is right here. All you need to do is check out more details here. See the content rewards button? See it? Everybody click it. Go on. It's okay. Click. No. Click the button. Everybody right now go to content rewards. If you want to make money, click the button. If you don't, just sit there. Everybody else, click the damn button. I'm trying to give away tens of thousands of dollars this year by you guys doing this. You click this button, follow the rules. By the way, all it states is you're going to grab and drag the video onto your stuff, say the words or do the things, and you're automatically entered. Now, we have a tracking system that when you post something, the more views it gets, the more you get paid. Literally, that's all you need to do. I cannot be any easier to give you, there's not an easier way for me to give you money than this, other than the affiliate program, which, we've got people literally in here now making thousands of dollars off the affiliate program. But if you guys want to make money, click this button, start today. And no, you don't need to be a paid member to enter. It's for everybody. So if you guys are like, hey, I'd like to make some money so I can join a membership, there's your answer. Hey, I'd like to make an extra income. Boom, there's your answer. Hey, you know what? My kids needed a new pair of shoes. Boom, there's your answer. Don't say we don't have a way for you to make money in here. You have a way. Thank you. Appreciate you.
25,000 views will get you $50 capped per post. You can post as many times as you want.
There you go. Post as many times you want. And we will continue to refill that as long as you guys like the program and keep doing it. I'm seriously going to earmark $10,000 to $50,000 for this program this year. Let me repeat that because I don't think you guys are listening. People in here will make $10,000 to $50,000 by clicking that freaking button. Do you understand now? Okay, good. Now that we're all on the same page. Clickety click, do the things. Stop being lazy. Go get paid. Oh, coach, but you know what? I need to pay my phone bill. Click the button. Coach, I'd like to add an extra $200 to my Webull Futures brand new trading account. Click that button over there. Coach, I'd like to go get some drinks with my friends on a Friday night as soon as I get done over here. Click that button right there. Clicky click. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. I see everybody over here posting. Nice job. Let's see how many let's see how many people posted today. You have witnessed people making 10 million, $1 million, $130,000 today. And let's see how many posts say that. Hold on. Let me look. Every moderators look on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, Rumble, Kickster, Snap. Take a look. Let's see how many people posted about literally the millions that were made. Hold on. Hold on. Let me look. Just give me one moment. You see that? That's my determination look staring at the social media. Ready? That's the move. You see it. You're seeing it right now. Head tilted, staring at it, and I don't see a single post about it. What?
I don't either, Coach.
Not a single one.
I know I made a video a couple of days ago on my TikTok.
Coach, I'm getting ready to on Instagram, but what's your handle that I tag on Insta?
It shows it right in the content rewards. Instagram is at American Dream Trading LLC.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Thank you. Now, if you're doing it though for the content rewards, make sure you go into the rewards and do it. Otherwise, you're just posting it. I literally want you guys to get paid to do that. But if you're just posting something nice, that's great. But I would love for all of you to start making ass loads of money doing this. That is my hope and my dream is for you to literally make bucket loads of cash just posting stuff. That's it. Do it. Do the things. Choppy chop. Click at the things and do the stuff. That's all I ask. Thank you. All right, it's 10:48. Listen, I got to fly. Says how? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Go to pricing or scroll down. Join the free Discord. Verify your account within 24 hours so you don't get your ass kicked off because it'll think you're a bot. Go to the new member start here. Click on rewards. Follow the instructions. Get paid. Ding. That's great. All right, it's 10:48. I got to go jump in my mentorship program. Who's going to be joining me today for the mentorship program? Open your mics. Let me know.
You know it.
Yes.
Can't wait.
Yes.
Ooh. I will be, Coach.
Yes. You already know I'm fired up. You guys are going to get something real special. All right. Anybody else? We are good. We've got no hands up. Okay, I'm out of here. It's 10:48. I'll see you guys in the mentorship program. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, media team members, Nick, thank you, TikTok mods, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. I appreciate each and every one of you for doing all that you do. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Oh, for God's sakes.
I can't believe I'm the only one.
This show, the wheels fell off at the end. Thank you. There it is. Thank you. Oh my gosh, we started the show with almost $11 million in profits, and then the wheels fell right off. Everybody just got so excited. Do me a favor. Did anybody make any money today? Let the world know.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
5% total account.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, sir. $300.
2,900.
Oh my.
I did, Coach.
Yes.
600.
500.
$20.
I think I'm ready to start trading money and get off this paper on Monday.
There you go. Yes, timeout is almost over. All right, listen, gang, I'm going to see you all over the mentorship program. Be there sharp. Everybody else, don't forget. I think today will be the last day I run this sale. Diamond membership, 10K, all memberships, lifetime, including the new ones we have coming, and some special perks. and bonuses for Diamond members only. Shh. Don't tell anybody we're going to do special stuff. All right, I'm out. See ya. Moderators.
Bye, Coach. Love you.
Thank you. Love you too, guys. Nice job today. I'm out. Bruno, looks like you're the host.
Thanks for everything, Coach.
You got it.